महाराष्ट्र पुणे में एक बड़ा सड़क हादसा हुआ है जिसमें मुसाफिरों की मौत हो गई है जबकि 22 लोग जख्मी हुए हैं। दो तरफ से आ रहे ट्रक और एक प्राइवेट बस की सीधी टक्कर की वजह से यह हादसा हुआ। पुणे बेंगलुरु हाईवे पर यह हादसे की खबर मिलते ही एनसीपी लीडर सुप्रिया सुले आपको बता दें मौके पर पहुंची और हादसे का जायजा उन्होंने लिया और उन्होंने हालात का जायजा लेते हुए इस मौके पर उन्होंने इस हादसे को अफसोसनाक बताते हुए मकामी इंतजामिया के काम की जमकर तारीफ की है।
Well, it's a very unfortunate incident, but preliminary investigation with the police has given me feedback after coming here is that it seems to be a brake failure, not anything to do with the road. But clearly we will wait patiently for an inquiry, and I thank the police and the administration here because the traffic police and the entire police administration has done exemplary work. They have worked all early morning and they have helped every person who needed to be rushed to a hospital. That's where we are also going. It's a very, very unfortunate incident, but we must get to the bottom of it as what really it has happened and why, because we have made a lot of interventions here with the help of the National Highway and the rumblers, be it clear notifications, big billboards of clarity of speed. We have put a lot of cameras here. So National Highway has made a lot of interventions by taking suggestions from all the stakeholders, including all of us. So we are hopeful that this doesn't happen. And after the intervention made, last 4 months, we've not had any accidents. So we thought it was a smooth sailing. But unfortunately, what has happened today is very, very sad. We have lost 4 lives and 22 people are hurt. So we are waiting for a detailed inquiry.